And so it begins. This is the pass-through that's going to go away and become an open space. The hallway is cleared. The deck is papered. The kitchen is emptied. Oh my God. So we were covering the floor with these floor tiles because the cracks were horrendous. The cabinets are empty. Goodbye, cabinets. I will not miss you. Day one, waiting for the contractor. Here we go. Day three, this is an exciting day. The half a wall is open and out. I can't step too far back because I've got a plastic wall behind me, but you can see the soffits have all been removed. We've gone right up to the ceiling to gain up all of that extra cabinet space. And look at that light already pouring in to the new kitchen area. Also, the tiles are gone. And we are down to the original subfloor. Very exciting! Day four doesn't look much different than day three, but I can assure you a lot got done. This is called the roughing it day. You can see on the north wall, all of the studding is in for the new sheetrock. This is going to be mostly cabinetry on this wall. So we've got a whole new system to attach those cabinets to. The phony little vent area has been internalized, and that's going to feed right into the microwave so that we can get rid of any kind of smell and smoke. And the electrician came and gave me my 4 pocket lights in the 4 corners of the ceiling, which I love. Also wired for the pendants that are going to hang over the counter, which goes right there, that overlooks the living room. And basically hid a few electrical sockets here and there for all of the new electrics. And that is what got accomplished today. Day 5, I'm kind of getting used to this plastic wall. I think I'm going to keep it up permanently. Let's see what happened today. And we can see that everything got sheetrocked in today. That wall is all covered up. Valves got exchanged for new ones. The exhaust pipe is in. The ceiling work got sheetrocked. Lovely. Same thing on the far wall. Ceiling is all ready for some taping, which is going to happen today. And you can see this filler piece went in, which is really going to give us now the more true version of what this opening is. That's going to overlook the dining area and living room. And of course, the final thing, which was really great to do, the noisiest part of the week is screwing in the subfloor. It is now waterproof, mold resistant, level as it can be, and ready for some tile. It's a lot of work for one day. Doesn't look like much, but it's a full day's work. Day 6, and I have to say the most thrilling part of this project is what I have envisioned all along, that all of that natural light will fill the kitchen. Okay, all of the taping is done. First preliminary stage of it anyway. All the sheetrock has been taped and compounded right up to the studs in the ceiling. And we're going to let this dry. And that completes week 1 of the project.